Did you know that one man's rejection from art school helped start the deadliest war in human history? In 1907, a young Austrian named Adolf Hitler was turned away from the Vienna Academy of Fine Arts. Twice. The professor said his drawings lacked talent and emotion. Crushed and angry, Hitler wandered the streets of Vienna, blaming others for his failures. He developed a deep hatred that would poison millions of minds. Years later, this failed artist became the leader of Nazi Germany. His rage and twisted ideas led to World War II, a conflict that killed over 70 million people. 6 million Jewish people died in the Holocaust. Entire cities were destroyed. Families were torn apart forever, all because one art school said no to a bitter young man who couldn't paint well enough. It makes you wonder how different the world might have been if those professors had just said yes. Sometimes the smallest moments create the biggest disasters in history.